All right, so I got sponsored by Spelab, or SPE Lab, however you say it. I had purchased a couple of their parts and did an install. Like I did one on a 5-inch exhaust as well as an EGR delete kit. I can show you that. This is their 5-inch exhaust. I'll show a video of it at the end revving up so you can hear the sound. And that's obviously their exhaust tip as well. And then EGR delete kit's up here. You can see it there. So today we're gonna do the differential cover. Box in here. Looks like it's a pretty stout cover and pretty well built. Comes with new bolts as well as a gasket down there. So let me get set up to take that one off and we'll go from there. Let's go ahead and pop this open. You need 13, that's what fits these bolts. All right, while it finishes draining a little bit, I'm gonna go around with a razor blade and just kind of clean up the surface of where that old cover was sitting. All right, well that one finishes up. We're gonna go ahead and just get this one ready. I'm just gonna spray it down with some cleaner just to make sure it's good and clean. And then we'll go ahead and put a little bead around it. I'm using right stuff. Just helps the gasket seal. All right, so apparently the video shut off when I went to go put this on. Didn't realize it. Basically, I put some more of the right stuff onto the surface of the axle, and then went through, made it smooth with my finger, and put that up on, put the bolts on. They come with a lock washer and a flat washer. Went through, just zipped them on with a gun real quick, and then went back through and hand tightened them, which for some reason it caught me hand tightening, but not the rest of it. So now I'm gonna go get the fluid. I'm putting 75, 140 in it. We'll fill it up. So to show that that one is deeper, I believe these usually take like 2.5 quarts. That just took 3 quarts and it's not even on the sight glass yet. So I am gonna have to go grab some more. All right, I ran out, went and got more. Let's finish this up. Put your fill plug back in, and then you're finished up. Sight glass right there showing the ball. Yeah, awesome. All right, guys, it's all done. Not leaking, holding fluid. Yeah, everything's cool with it. So, forgot to mention this at the start of the video, but it's a 2008 Dodge 2500 make cab. It's got about 115,000 miles on it. So yeah, that's what we did it on.